UFO battle over Nuremberg. April of 1561 at dawn, numerous citizens of Nuremberg, Germany, witnessed a magnificent aerial battle filled with dozens, if not hundreds of UFOs. Emerging from barrel-like motherships were UFOs shaped like orbs or plates, which were black, orange, or whitish blue, with bright red crosses between some. For over an hour, the UFOs clashed above in spectacular warfare, with casualties crashing into the earth and vanishing in the smoldering heat. When the conflict ended, a massive pitch-black, arrow-shaped supership appeared, and the surviving orbs returned to their motherships, which then flew into the sun. Were the citizens privy to witnessing a space battle, or did they all just misidentify a natural phenomenon? 4. UFO battle over Basel, Switzerland. At sunrise on August 7, 1566, multiple citizens of Basel, Switzerland watched in terror as their sky was engaged in warfare. For hours, above in combat, they witnessed a myriad of huge black spheres battling fiercely. They were incredibly maneuvering, swift half-turns, firing and crashing against each other. When fired upon and obliterated, the UFO would turn blazing red, become inflamed and then vanish. Was this a description of a spectacular aerial warfare event, or was this another misidentified natural occurrence? 3. UFO battle over south of France. In August of 1608, residents of Marseille, Nice, and Genoa witnessed a spectacular celestial exhibition of strange, glowing, and swiftly maneuvering crafts. Observed were creatures described as humanoid with large heads, big eyes, covered in scales, and tentacled hands, like squirming snakes. All that was left from the hundreds of strikes from various weapons, useless against the invading aerial machines, was the smell of gunpowder in the air and dumbfounded awe. 2. UFO battle over Barhaft. April 8, 1665 in Barhaft, then in Sweden, now in Germany, fishermen witnessed battling ships in the sky. Sometime after, a dark grey object shaped like a plate, flat and round, emerged from the skies, lingered above and remained into the evening. In the dreadful days following the encounter, the fishermen became painfully ill with uncontrollable shaking all over their bodies. 1. UFO battle over Australia. On September 15, 1991, the Discovery Space Shuttle, over Australia, captured amazing video recordings of a UFO encounter. Shown in the recordings are numerous objects, resembling small bright lights, that appear to communicate and move around each other. One event shows a UFO making a sharp angle turn, evading an unexpected surge of light from below Earth, and then shooting into space. This, and other unintentionally captured UFO incidents recorded by NASA, has influenced their decision to terminate live space transmissions. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more episodes.